everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Gulab Jamun, which is one of my favorite Indian desserts. Gulab Jamun is a fried cardamom scented donut hole that is soaked in a sweet sugar syrup. The ingredients needed are 1 cup of instant non-fat milk powder, 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cardamom powder, half a cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of water, and oil for frying. So let's get started. Take a large mixing bowl and add the milk powder, all-purpose flour, cardamom powder, baking soda, and combine all the dry ingredients together. Then add the heavy cream and lightly mix the ingredients together using a spatula. Cover and let the dough set aside for 8 minutes. While the dough is setting, you can now make the syrup. Take a saucepan and add the water, sugar, and stir until the sugar has dissolved. Once it comes to a high boil, turn off the heat and set aside. Now, grab your bowl of dough and begin to knead it for about 30 seconds until you are left with a slightly sticky dough. Then, take some ghee, grease your hands well with it, and form 1-inch size balls. Repeat the same process until you are left with approximately 12 of them. Now your balls of dough are ready to fry. Take any pan you like and add just enough oil for frying. Make sure to keep the temperature on a low to medium heat. If the oil is too hot, then what will happen is it will brown on the outside and not cook in the inside. Once the oil is hot enough, you can now begin to fry the balls of dough in 2 separate batches. Make sure to constantly move them around so that they cook and brown evenly. Fry until golden brown in color. After you are done frying, you can go ahead and add the sugar syrup to the Gulab Jamun. Make sure it is all coated evenly in the syrup. Your Gulab Jamun is now ready. It is best to serve this after 1 hour so that the fried balls of dough will soak up all that delicious syrup and will be super moist in the inside. Enjoy and thank you so much for watching. Can't wait for you all to give this delicious dessert a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.